Hello guys, my name is Ravi and today I am going to show you how rank formula work in Power BI desktop. So right now what I do is I will connect a data source to perform this activity, right? So before this, let me introduce how rank work. Rank means, so let's suppose you have top customers, you have 10 or you have 100 customers, right? And they are you are selling them their products, right? So now let's suppose at the end of the month, now you have the total sales per customer. Now you want to see the top performer who are performing the best. So on the basis of their sales we can ranking accordingly. So let me take an example. There are two customers, one you are selling around 500 and second you are selling only 300, right? So to your first rank will be go to the 500 sales and second rank will be the 300, right? So this is what is rank formula. Rank X is actually called rank X in DAX because it is in DAX, not in Excel. So in Excel, so this is my data source. Excel I have on my desktop, so I will connect this in my Power BI desktop. Right now I am selecting my sales data, so I am loading this data. So what I am going to do is I will perform activity using rank X to show you how it works. So right now I have country, so let me select a chart type. So I want column charts. So I have customer country on one axis and units sold on the value axis. Units sold. This is, oh, let me check. So right now it will show me all the sales unit sold per customer in their country. So you can see Algeria and in Afghanistan we have sold this much of unit. But what are the challenges? I want to show only top 10 performer who have done the most of the purchased, right? So to do so, what I do is I will create a measure in DAX. So to do so, right click on it and create a new measure, right? So to this is rank, and how this work is we'll add a rank X. This is the rank X formula, right? And first one is to add all the tables. To show all the tables we need to select all. Then we have it will populate all the tables we have connected to the Power BI desktop. Now I want customer country as in first one. Now what I do is I will calculate the sum of total units sold per customer, right? So now what it will do is it will show all, it will rank the customer country on the basis of their sales from 1 to 100, or maybe what are the count of the customer, right? So if I click on enter, it will show me a column extra is rank, right? And one, so we have a visual filter. Once you select this chart, you will drag this rank formula to the which we have created in DAX, and now you can see the filtered value. So let's suppose I want to see the top 10 performer. So what I do is I will enter the 11. So the value of the rank will be less than 11, then it will show me the all the performer on the top 10. Now you can see it will populate only the top 10 performer, and now we can sort it out with the units sold. So you can see how simple is in Power BI desktop to calculate the rank on the basis of data connected on the run base on the filter.